Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Jacob, and in this video we are going to be running Proctorio in a virtual machine. So Proctorio is one of these virtual proctoring softwares that is really popular with colleges during this COVID-19 pandemic. So essentially they install this piece of, it's essentially spyware onto your computer that takes control of everything, like it's always looking through your webcam and stuff like that, monitoring all your activities on your computer. And that just rubs a lot of people the wrong way. And so this is how you can install it and get it working on a virtual machine so it doesn't actually affect your main browser and stuff like that. So yeah, that's Proctorio. In order to follow along with this video, you're going to need a few pieces of software downloaded and installed. Everything is free, don't worry. So the first one is VirtualBox. This essentially allows you to run another operating system just like a program inside of your computer. Download whatever is the respective installer for your platform. You'll also need the extension pack so that the VirtualBox, like the virtual machine, can see the webcam. You do have to have a webcam as well. And then come over here and download a copy of this Windows virtual machine that's provided by Microsoft. It's totally free, but it is an absolutely massive download, so I'm not going to be downloading it on video. I've already downloaded it. I have it over here. You get a zip file, and when you unzip it, you have just this absolutely massive file inside. So once you've installed VirtualBox, then you come over to this menu, you say File, Import Appliance, and then you find this file and put it in this box here. But I've already done that, and this is the machine right here. So let's power this up and see what Proctorio says. All right, so we're starting our Windows virtual machine for the first time. All right, so I'm just gonna kill it. I'm gonna give it some more memory so that it runs faster. Hopefully it runs faster. Yeah, all right, let's see if that works. Hopefully that's a little bit faster. There we go. All right, so hopefully it'll be a little faster now. Give it a little bit more memory. So we'll go and download Chrome. There it is. All right, so we'll just run that. Get Chrome installed. And now we're going to come down here to our devices here, and we're going to make sure that this integrated webcam, because I'm on a laptop right now, so this integrated webcam, make sure that that is checked. All right, you hear that sound. It says in setting up VirtualBox webcam. There we go. And there I am. So we know that the webcam is currently working, and so our virtual machine can see our webcam. Lovely. Now I'm going to go over to my university. Most of this I'm going to have to blur out, so just bear with me here. All right, so here it says extension is required. Click here. So we'll click here and install the Proctorio Chrome extension. Say add to Chrome. Add this piece of spyware to my computer. I consent to this. All right, Proctorio has been added to Chrome. Lovely, just what I like to see. So that's happy. All right. So now I'm going to click on Start Exam Pre-Checks, and we'll see what it tells us. So we have to allow it to use our camera, allow it to use our microphone. And what does it tell us? Oh, we also need to share our screen. So it needs to spy on every single part of what's going on with our computer. And it says virtualized webcams are not supported. Learn about virtual webcams not supported. So pretty much we have to convince Proctorio that our webcam is not virtualized, and even though it is. So we can do that by opening up Device Manager here. And going over to cameras, this guy right here. So it says VirtualBox Webcam Integrated Webcam. Turns out that is how they're figuring out that this is a virtualized webcam, is simply by the name VirtualBox Webcam. So we need to change the name. We can do that by opening up the properties here, going over to details. Then we need to find, let's see, it's like device key or something like that. Where is it? Or driver key. There it is. So this guy, and we want to copy that. Then go over to reg edit over here. And then it's under HKLM, system, control set 001, enum. Under here, one of these guys. Don't exactly remember which one. Well, I think it's in here somewhere. So let me paste that in there. There it is. Okay, so it's under, okay, here. And here we have the name right here, VirtualBox Webcam-Integrated Webcam. And we actually want to replace this with just the text integrated webcam, right? Like this. So I'm just going to copy, actually, I'm going to copy all of that, change it to integrated webcam, say OK, and now we're going to find the next instance of this text every single time. So we'll put that, and we'll change that to just integrated webcam. Okay, find the next one, change that to integrated webcam. Okay. Oh, and that's probably the last one. It's probably going to take forever to search now. You can't find it anymore. Oh, finish searching through the registry. And it can't find it anymore. So now it's integrated webcam, right? Now it's just known as integrated webcam. Cool. So we've done all that. Now let's restart our virtual machine. All right, and we'll run Google Chrome again. Go to my university page again. And start pre-exam checks. We're going to have to, oh, and it's checked off our webcam already. Microphone, share our screen. And Proctorio is happy with us. Alright everybody, that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Jacob, and have a good one.